Annyeonghaseyo. In the last video we talked about the life story of BTS member V, and in today's video we are gonna talk about the life story of Jeon Jungkook, born on 1st September 1997 in Busan, South Korea. So, in his family, he had his parents and his big brother. From childhood, he had a dream of being a baseball player. He had interest in sports since the starting. But when he saw J. performing Heartbreaker on TV, he also wanted to become a singer. So, for that, he gave his first performance in Daegu in 2011 when he was only 15. In that audition, he was not selected. So, after that, he got 7 offers from different companies in which Big Hit was also there. When he was selecting, he saw a video of RM rapping. He liked his rapping that much that then he became his biggest fan. When he got to know that RM has joined Big Hit as a trainee, he also joined it. To improve his dance skills, he used to go to Los Angeles. After coming from Los Angeles, he used to work as a back dancer in other K-pop groups, and with him, J-Hope was also there. After doing this much of practice, then also he was about to get out of the group because he was really shy and was an introvert. Whenever he was told to sing, he just used to go away and stand in a corner or hide somewhere. The people of Big Hit thought that Jungkook will not be able to be a K-pop. After that, we came into Jungkook's life and they became really good friends. Jungkook used to talk to him, share his secrets with him, and he also used to do the same. And we also made him confident, and because of we only, Jungkook is here in BTS. Jungkook used to study as a trainee. He completed his graduation in 2017. He didn't had much interest in studies, but he had the most interest in sports and arts. He is now known as the multi-talented BTS member. Jungkook is an expert in sports, art, dance, cooking, singing, and many more. But during his training, he was mistreated by the staff. Fans got really shocked when they saw a video in which a staff member was showing his hand to Jungkook. At that time, Jungkook was 17. So, he didn't say anything to that staff member. But when the company got to know about that staff from other BTS members, that staff member was fired. At that time, Jungkook used to do overwork. He used to do extra practice, extra training, and everything extra. That's why he's only the BTS member who gets fainted or injured most of the time on stage. After one of the concerts, he was so much injured and tired that he was not able to breathe also. In one of the interviews, he mentioned that his biggest weakness is BTS members. Whenever he sees any of the BTS member crying, he also starts crying. All the BTS members have said that he is the most emotional member in BTS. All the BTS members told that even he makes a very little mistake on stage, then also he cries a lot and blames himself a lot. Once, J-Hope told everyone that from now onwards he will not be a BTS member. He said that he is going to leave BTS. At that night, Jungkook cried a lot. But in the morning, he got to know that J-Hope is not leaving BTS and he had no boundaries of his happiness. But the reason for that was all the BTS members. They explained him that wait for some time and BTS will become really famous and popular. Whenever he gets any letter from ARMY, he starts to cry in between. If you are also a BTS ARMY, so comment purple hearts in comments. Bye bye.